everybody. Today we're gonna do a super easy non-baked treat, and it's called brown butter Biscoff Rice Krispie treat bars. So I found out that my mother really likes Rice Krispie treats, so like when she goes to Starbucks she loves to get that as a little snack, so I decided to make them for her today. I got the recipe from Bakerella, and I will put her link below in the description below, so you can just click on it and check out her awesome blog and find the recipe there for yourself. Boop, boop. So let's go. So we're gonna use a stick of butter and go bam, butter the pan. You know, my sister made fun of me before because I used to like put butter on a paper towel to do it. She's like, what? And I go, hey man, that's how I figured it out. But just, you know, take a stick of butter, bam, bam. Oh, butter the sides too, because you don't want the Rice Krispie treats to stick on the sides. That's what the butter does. It makes it easy to remove from the pan when you're done. So make sure you just coat the whole thing. So we're gonna take one stick of butter and put it in a large pan, and you're gonna melt it. You're gonna melt that butter in that large pan over medium low to medium heat, and you're gonna whisk it often, okay? Love me again, you fill up my senses like a walk in the forest. And then we're gonna lower the heat and add the mini marshmallows in there. So you just buy a 10-ounce pack of those mini marshmallows, and we're gonna use those to melt and mix into this butter. Add the marshmallows. Ooh. You're stirring those marshmallows until it's completely smooth, and then you're going to add the melted Biscoff that I melted in the microwave for 20 seconds, and you're going to go ahead and stir that in there. So, well, that's the melted Biscoff. It's cookie butter. It's delish. Oh my goodness. It's turning into a pretty creamy color, consistency. Blended it together, so we're going to add that salt, sea salt that I pre-measured out. Okay, I used fine sea salt so it blends really well. So then we're gonna stir in the cereal. Those Rice Krispie Rice Krispie, you know those thingies, and stir and in. So you're gonna take this ooey gooey goodness and yeah. Anyway, you know, press it into the pan. And let it cool for a couple minutes. Let it cool for a couple minutes, and then you can cut into it, and you'll have lovely Rice Krispie squares. Brown butter Biscoff, let's taste it. Still warm. So good. My mom's gonna love them. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We will see you next time. Love, peace, and joy. Oh yeah. Like the mountains in spring.
It's been a minute.
Huh? It's been a minute? Oh.